Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of revived wood furniture for sustainable decor ideas for your home and planet. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the heart of every home, furniture holds more than just function. It carries memory, atmosphere, and soul. The rise of revived wood furniture marks not just a design trend, but a powerful cultural shift towards sustainability, creativity, and conscious living. In a world where disposable decor dominates store shelves, the art of reclaiming and transforming forgotten wood furniture stands as a quiet revolution, one that brings beauty back into the everyday while honoring both the planet and the craftsman's touch. This is where the old becomes extraordinary again. Each piece of revived wood tells a story of renewal, resourcefulness, and reimagination. It whispers of history through every grain and scar, carrying the energy of what it once was and the promise of what it has become. To breathe new life into old furniture is to see beyond surface wear and recognize potential. It's about understanding that an aged table or weathered chair doesn't represent the end of its usefulness, but the beginning of its reinvention. When a skilled maker or thoughtful homeowner picks up a discarded piece, they're not just restoring furniture, they're redefining value. Revived wood furniture blends authentic craftsmanship with modern sensibility, proving that sustainable choices can be stylish, affordable, and profitable. Through techniques like sanding, refinishing, or reshaping, forgotten items emerge transformed, each bearing the quiet power of the handmade. The result is furniture that feels alive, layered with character, and infused with warmth that can't be mass-produced. This movement isn't only about decor, it's about mindset. Reviving wood furniture represents a deeper appreciation for materials and time. Every plank and panel once had a life, and through restoration, it gains a new one. Instead of cutting down more trees or relying on industrial manufacturing, makers turn toward what already exists. This approach reduces waste, saves energy, and encourages circular creativity, where nothing is truly lost, only reborn. It's sustainability that feels personal. Each project becomes an act of gratitude toward nature and an expression of respect for the craft itself. When you take the time to restore an old dresser or reshape a reclaimed wood coffee table, you're not just decorating your home, you're participating in a form of creative conservation that enriches both your space and your spirit. What makes revived wood furniture so alluring in today's market is its emotional depth. Unlike factory-made pieces that often feel cold and generic, handcrafted restorations connect with people on a human level. There's an authenticity that resonates, the warmth of natural textures, the charm of imperfections, the visible fingerprints of time. These qualities turn everyday furniture into heirloom pieces, capable of sparking stories and memories for generations. Consumers are increasingly drawn to this kind of honesty in design. They want their homes to reflect individuality, purpose, and sustainability. This shift is why revived wood furniture is no longer niche. It's a thriving sector within modern decor, where beauty, eco-responsibility, and profitability coexist effortlessly. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The financial potential is as real as the artistry. With the rise of online marketplaces and local craft platforms, there's never been a better time to turn reclaimed furniture into income. Each unique restoration holds high market value because it embodies authenticity and exclusivity, qualities that buyers crave in a world oversaturated with mass production. A thoughtfully revived wood piece stands out not because it's flawless, but because it's one of a kind. It carries emotional worth, and customers are willing to pay for that connection. For makers and entrepreneurs, this presents a golden opportunity to merge passion with profit. With creativity, patience, and purpose, revived wood furniture becomes not just décor. It becomes a brand, a lifestyle, and a business rooted in meaning. From a design perspective, reclaimed furniture complements every aesthetic, from rustic farmhouse and modern minimalist to bohemian or industrial chic. The adaptability of revived wood lies in its organic nature. It pairs effortlessly with metal, glass, and stone, bringing depth and contrast to any interior. The rich tones, subtle imperfections, and natural grains of old timber create a visual harmony that feels grounded yet luxurious. This is eco-luxury at its best. Elegance born from sustainability, refinement shaped by renewal. For home decorators, using revived furniture is a statement of style and values, a way to craft interiors that feel both curated and conscious. Every room that features reclaimed wood carries an atmosphere of authenticity, reminding us that sophistication need not come at the expense of the environment. But beyond its beauty and market appeal, revived wood furniture also nurtures emotional well-being. The tactile nature of wood, the warmth it emits, the story it tells, creates a sense of comfort and belonging in any space. In a time when life often feels fast-paced and disconnected, handmade décor invites us to slow down and appreciate craftsmanship. Restoring or crafting with reclaimed wood is itself a meditative process. The gentle rhythm of sanding, the scent of sawdust, and the moment when old imperfections become design highlights, all of these foster mindfulness and satisfaction. For many, it's more than a hobby. It's a form of creative therapy that transforms both material and maker. Moreover, each revival project symbolizes hope, a reminder that what's old or broken can always be renewed. In this way, revived wood furniture mirrors life itself, resilient, adaptable, and full of hidden potential. When a discarded chair is repaired or a scratched table refinished, it becomes more than a functional item. It becomes a metaphor for sustainability, perseverance, and creativity. The furniture carries the fingerprints of transformation, proving that even in a throwaway culture, beauty can emerge from what was once forgotten. The future of home design lies in these very principles. As eco-awareness continues to shape consumer behavior, revived wood furniture sits at the intersection of environmental consciousness, economic opportunity, and emotional connection. It offers an alternative to fast furniture by promoting longevity and craftsmanship over convenience. Every piece that's reclaimed and restored reduces landfill waste, saves forests, and encourages mindful consumption. But just as importantly, it brings art and humanity back into our living spaces. To embrace revived wood furniture is to join a growing movement of makers, dreamers, and eco-innovators who believe in sustainable luxury. It's for those who see beyond trends and understand that real design has soul. It's for homeowners who want to invest in furniture that tells a story, and for artisans who wish to turn passion into purpose and profit. The magic lies not in perfection, but in the imperfections that reveal time, history, and care. Each scratch, each knot, each grain is a mark of authenticity, a reminder that beauty, like nature, thrives in diversity and impermanence. Ultimately, turning forgotten wood furniture into timeless beauty is more than craftsmanship. It's a celebration of renewal. It redefines luxury, not as something rare or expensive, but as something real, enduring, and meaningful. Whether you're crafting a new dining table from reclaimed beams or restoring a weathered antique for your home, you're not just decorating. You're preserving stories, respecting nature, and participating in a cycle of creation that honors both past and future. Revived wood furniture proves that sustainability and sophistication are not opposites. They're partners in shaping a better, more beautiful world. In every revived piece lies a message of hope, that with imagination and intention, Even the forgotten can become extraordinary again. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked revived wood furniture for sustainable decor ideas for your home and planet. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.